Hello, welcome everybody. This is Olympus Financials bringing you another tutorial on how to make a trade on Interactive Brokers. Let's get started. First, you go to trade. Once you've logged into your account, select quote, and we want to search for what we want to buy today. And for today, I have a recommendation for a farm holdings right here. Then this is the one we want to trade. There's those preferences, you don't need to touch on that. Select buy, and under buy you come here and it's a limit order, so make sure it's a limit order. And then price, we want to buy it at let's say 37.15. The time in force is good till cancelled. Then you come here and select attach profit taker, you enable it. Then put your profit taker. I have it at 45. Time in force is good till cancelled. Attach stop loss, and stop loss say 10%. Let me do that calculation quickly. Will give you 33.44. So type in there 33.44. it's a stop, then good till cancelled, and now you're good to go. Everything is ready. The order is for a farm you want to buy at that price. Good till cancelled, there's a limit order, take profit, stop loss, and then you just slide. I forgot one thing, quantity. Let's say you want to buy 100 shares. Okay, and that's really good. It shows you how much your expense will be right there, 3,715. Now we slide to make that trade, and we're good to go. It says here order submitted. Then you can create an alert if you want to know next time it hits a different price. You can duplicate the order, you can do other things, but as of now you've made a trade, you're good to go. You just close that window right here and you're done. Awesome. Thank you, and have a good evening.